4 tap beer Kegerator dispenser tower. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of the neck, we have 15.25 inches. Highest point of the handle towards the bottom of the base, we have 18.25 inches. Radius for the bottom base, we have 4.5 inches. Also included will be 4 plastic hoses to hook up your Kegerators underneath the cabinet. Included will also be additional accessories such as a rubber gasket, wrench, screws, and washers. As said, there are 4 different taps on top of the tower, and each of the 4 lines can hook up to each of the Kegerators beneath the cabinet. These towers can be purchased through our company Cooler Depot and will work with all the Kegerators that we sell through the website. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.